All right, Jen St. Dennis from Business in Vancouver is with us. Good morning, Jen.
Good morning.
So last week we're talking about negative interest rates here in Canada, and the U.S. is talking about maybe raising their interest rates. So what's going on here?
Yeah, that's right. So on Wednesday, the U.S. Federal Reserve is widely expected to finally, after more than 7 years, raise their benchmark interest rate. It's been very, very low at historic lows ever since the 2008 financial crisis. It was put in place, of course, to stimulate the economy. It has done that work, but it's been so long now that it really is time to nudge those rates up a little bit. Now, today we're actually seeing a lot of market jitters. We're seeing that in the Asian and European markets, expected to see the same thing in the North American markets as well. And that is because there's a lot of unease about whether the global economy really is strong enough to withstand this change. So the U.S. economy has been showing a lot of strength. But there are emerging markets like China, other emerging markets, and also the price of oil is a really big red flag for investors. So the price of oil has been sliding even more today, down to, as you said, saw $35 a barrel, very low. So a lot of concerns about what that means and how long that is going to continue.
All right, now speaking of low, natural gas prices are low as well, and that doesn't bode well for this natural gas industry. We're hoping to fire up the province.
That's right. Yeah, as you said, we're hoping to fire up that natural gas industry, especially the provincial government, really hoping for the LNG industry to take off in BC. But natural gas prices, yeah, right now, just like oil, they're very, very low. They haven't been this low since 2012. And so that is causing a little bit of a slowdown in BC's natural gas sector for sure. Now, the reason behind this is actually kind of interesting. The weather in eastern United States has been quite warm, so there hasn't been as much of a demand for natural gas to heat people's homes. Now, in BC, we're seeing the effects of this in very, very low drilling right sales. Now, these are rights that are sold by the provincial government. They bring in money to the provincial government, and they haven't been as low as the last time they were this low. It was 1982, if that gives you a sense of how low they are. And we are expecting that pain of low prices to continue into 2016 for natural gas as well.
All right. Thanks very much for that, Jen.
You're welcome.
If you want some more details, go to BIV.com to reach Jen St. Dennis.